guys, welcome back. This is Mike Up and welcome back to my video. Today we are going to unbox a product that I bought last week from Shopee. This is the Scratch Cleaning Mop. I've been wanting to buy this, but since wala akong pera, I don't have money. When the time I got money, sweldo from work, yes, may work na ako, yay! Nakakabili na ako ng things na gusto ko from Shopee. So, without further ado, we are going to unbox and have a review with this mop. But before we start everyone, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below after this video, comment down below, or anytime you want, just comment down below any of your thoughts about this. Just subscribe guys, because most of my viewers are non-subscribers, and it's best if you subscribe for the latest content from me. So I bought this one from Shopee for only 201 pesos. In local stores, this would cost you 400 plus or even more. This is a great deal. So I already unboxed this one and looked into, because I want to be sure if things are inside, because when I received this one, it's very light. To be honest with you, everything is very light. I thought that I was scammed, but thanks for the seller for packing it very well. So ito yung nasa loob. Kala ko may crack, buhok lang pala natin. So, kunin na natin to. Ayan. Sa loob, tanggalin muna natin to. See? As you can see, there's dry. There's indication here that's dry and wash. This part here is wet. This one is for dry. Ito yung mop head. May velcro straps dito. For the quality, it's sturdy naman. I'm sure this would last. Just take good care. Then, sa loob, we have here two microfiber cleaning cloths. This is the mop. If one of these nasisira na through wear and tear, at least may extra pa kayo. Then you have here your handle that's made of stainless steel. I'm not sure if this is purely stainless, but it's very light. Ano pa meron? Okay, inside you have here some random things. So this is for the bottom part. So there are holes for a screw, but I don't think I'll be putting screws inside because the set does not include any screws. Here you have here your silicone or rubber plugs. It goes in here. I don't know if kita nyo. This is for the drain. Ito may drains. This is for the drain covers. It's removable. These are hard bristles. This is for in contact with the mop for cleaning, especially if it's full of, let's say it's full of grime, stains, and whatsoever, dirt. So it's placed here. So as you can see everyone, the compartments are not even. When you look at here, it's bigger. Still there's a division. Here it's for the dry and this part is for the wet. So this goes in here and this one here. So there's a easy click in place. So when you're trying to clean the mop and drying it, it automatically goes like this in its ideal position. Here. Then dry. So it's very convenient. So there is a little compartment, 3 compartments here. This is going here. So the mop won't just fall off if you just, there it sticks, but it will just fall off, even though the velcros are really doing its work really well on holding to the mop. So first we have to attach this one. Make sure all of this 3 goes in there, and then position it just like that. There you go. So I don't know if you can see this. So I thought we need screws because here, let me focus. There's a hole, but actually it's like a ball pen that pushes inside. So you push this part. There we go. And push again until it fits. There. It's on. Let's add some water. Okay, let's add some soap. By the way, this is not sponsored by Surf. Let's dip the mop. There we go. So this is how you wash the mop from grinds and stains. So I'm washing them. I don't think I have enough water, but it's okay. The flathead mop will just drag the water down up to the bristles and back down. See, there we go. There's bubbles. Then to the dry side. So by the way guys, it's a bit hard to push it in. It's easy to get it out, but it's hard to push in. There you go. And when I try touching it, it's not that wet. And it's ready for mopping. Let's say the water is already dirty on the moppy side. So let's open it up. There you go. The water just easily comes out. No need to lift up the bucket and pour the water. I'm surprised that it really grips onto the floor and really cleans all those grinds and dust. Wow. This is very effective. But this is very useful on vinyls. What else? Tiles. Yes, it works really good on tiles. That was the video of me cleaning my room and using the mop. So far, I was quite a bit annoyed by using it, like rotating it from vertical to horizontal. Sometimes it moves back to being vertical, but that's okay. The great thing is that the mop was able to clean my room, especially with the grinds and dirts around this room. Especially it's all clean, but I'm just impressed by how much dust it collected and really cleaned up this room. Before it was a bit kind of sticky in walking around, but this time it feels like brand new. I hope that you made up your mind and made your purchase decision in buying this mop. I hope you like this video and continue support. Please subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below. Oh, don't forget, I'll put down there in the description. Please have all the time read the description before commenting. I'll put the link down below of this mop so you can buy it for less and even cheaper. So guys, once again, that was the video, my review. That's all for today guys, and see you on the next video. Thank you once again. This is Mike Dave Yop, and have a great day. Bye bye.